What if you could make healthy, whole food meals that are quick, easy, and tasty? I use a simple 4-item checklist for making my meals. 1 large portion of protein as the main entree, 2 to 3 kinds of vegetables as the side. For dessert, I'll have fruit or berries. And lastly, I'll try to incorporate a fermented food item such as kimchi, sauerkraut, or yogurt. Today's dinner, I've already started off with seasoning chicken breast and placing it in the air fryer for 14 minutes. My air fryer has a preset air fry mode that runs at 400 to 425 Fahrenheit or 200 to 215 Celsius. For the veggie medley, I'll be mixing together carrot, broccoli, portobello mushroom, and garlic. And to cook the vegetables, I turn the stove on to about medium-low and add a bit of beef tallow in the stainless steel pot. I'll add some water to allow the veggies to cook longer without burning. Now it's time to flip the chicken breast over and cook for an additional 12 minutes. I like my garlic a little bit raw, so I add them in when the veggies are nearly done. For seasoning, I add salt, general seasoning, paprika powder, and a dash of turmeric. I like to add a bit of soy sauce for some umami flavor and a dash of apple cider vinegar for a slight tangy flavor. For dessert, I'll mix together 1 orange, some plain yogurt, milled flax seeds, and cinnamon. I'll package up the other chicken breast for a meal tomorrow, which I can simply reheat in the air fryer.